Welcome to Star Biker, your last destination for everything's motorcycle. Today, we are moving towards the latest marvel from Suzuki, 2025 Hayabusa GSX 1200RR. This new repetition is not just an upgrade, it is a bold statement of power, precision and future technology. Let's discover what makes 2025 Hayabusa a game-changer in the world of Superbike. Reborn a legacy. Hayabusa has always been a legend. First introduced in 1999, it reshaped momentum and performance, which became an icon for fans around the world. Fast forward until 2025, and Suzuki has taken this famous DNA and developed it in modern masterpiece. With GSX 1200RR, Suzuki has made Hayabusa a modern engineering mixture with home naming heritage. Design: sleek and aerodynamic. The first thing you notice is an amazing design. 2025 Hayabusa GSX 1200RR is a better aerodynamic profile in games that is easily slipped through the air. The sculpture fairing is not only for the show, they significantly reduce the drag and improve stability at a high speed. The faster LED headlights and a smooth section tail ensures it an aggressive future stand. The more engine, electricity and performance. GSX 1200RR Heart has had a brand new 1200cc inline-4 engine, giving mind-blowing 210 horsepower. Suzuki has equipped this animal with a revised camshaft profile for modern fuel injection and even more torque and power. It translates to explosive acceleration in a high speed that has more than 300 km per hour of Superbike, a strong erection. Handling and ride dynamics. Power is nothing without control. Suzuki has completely recommended the chassis of 2025 Hayabusa using a lightweight aluminum frame for optimal stiffness and stills. Fully adjustable suspension, ensure an Altion ride on highways and razor-sharp handling in both front and back corner. The revised geometry improves cornering clearance, making pleasure to ride both track and street. Brake and safety. Big power has great responsibility, and Suzuki didn't avoid safety. The top-of-the-line Brembo Stylema brakes are there for exceptional stopping power in GSX 1200RR. Advanced electronics include a sophisticated traction control system, cornering apps, and multiple ride modes according to each ride condition. These features give confidence to riders to push limits without compromise safety. Technology. Digital cockpit. The cockpit of Hayabusa 2025 is a dream of a tech lover. A full-colored TFT display offers real-time information at a glance, from a lean-angle sensor to customizable ride data. Bluetooth connectivity keeps you in touch, while a new integrated navigation system ensures that you never lose your way. The intuitive interface makes access to these features smooth even during this move. Relaxation and touring skills. Despite its sporty DNA, GSX 1200RR is incredibly comfortable. Ergonomically designed seats and revised handlebars reduce fatigue, making it ideal for long rides. Suzuki has also added fine adaptation to the windscreen and offering better air protection, changing this hyperbike into a redeemable game tourer. Conclusion: a new era for Hayabusa. Finally, 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1200RR isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It names legendary Hayabusa and elevates it with modern technology, breathtaking power, and compromising relief. Whether you are a fan of die-hard Hayabusa or new arrivals in the world of Superbike, this machine is designed to thrill. Outro. Keep watching with Star Biker. He wrapped up our deep dive into the new 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1200RR. What do you think of this new powerhouse? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to be updated on the latest motorcycles, make sure to subscribe to Star Biker and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe and ride faster.